Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop. And as always, it's your good friend Jack back again from Blue Sky Graphics, here to show you some very cool stuff. What I would like to do today is show you how to create this cracked skin effect within Adobe Photoshop. A very simple process for you to follow, but a very rewarding effect, as you can see. So the process would be as follows. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all these top layers here and just remove them. Wonderful. And we've got a solid color adjustment layer there. I'm just going to move that to the bottom and bring back that original image. Okay. Now, first of all, what I'd like to do is enlarge this image. So I'm going to use the shortcut Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows. And I'm going to press the shortcut Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to resize from the center point. Okay. Get it to a point about there, let's say. Maybe a little bit smaller. Wonderful. Okay, so what I would like to do now is remove the background. So I'm just going to come through here. We're going to go right click. Let's choose our magic wand tool. Let's select elements. Not a great choice there, to be fair. So I'm going to press Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows to deselect. Let's use our object selection tool and let's select the subject here. Not bad. But what I'm going to do is come through and apply the layer mask. Like so. I just quickly need to disable this layer mask by pressing Shift and click on the layer mask. I just want to reselect these elements here. So I'm just going to use that to lasso and just do something like so. Wonderful. And now if we bring back our layer mask there, I'm just going to fill that with the color white. So if I right click on there, I have the option to go fill, and we're going to use the color white to bring back. Okay, fantastic. We still need to bring it up a little bit at the top there as well. So I'm just going to deselect Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. Just need to remove this little section here. So bear with me. Yeah, again, I'm going to press Shift and deselect that there. And we're just going to come through and just do something like so. With the object selection tool. Wonderful. And let's just fill that with the color white. Beautiful. And let's deselect Command D. And we have this option here. Let me just, cool, fantastic. What I can do now is come through. Wonderful. May I go black? Okay, wonderful. Let's deselect Command D. Wonderful. Now what we need to do is bring that texture on here, right? Okay. Now what I have is a texture that I've downloaded from the internet here. And what I'm going to do now is just resize this to a point. Okay. So I'm just going to come here, press Shift as I do this as well to keep it nice and straight, just to rotate it. And yeah, again, I'm going to press Option on Mac or Alt on Windows just to resize it to a point like so. Then I'm just going to move that texture a little bit to the left because I'll be removing it from the right-hand side. And we need to change the blending mode to multiply. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is apply a layer mask to this texture layer here. Wonderful. I'm just going to get my brush and make sure that I'm using a color black. Just want to resize our brush here just to see. Let's make sure we make this a little bit bigger here. There we go. Maybe a little bit bigger than that, to be fair. There we go. Let's just remove the cracks from half of her face. Wonderful. And a little bit here as well, I'd say. And what I need to do is make sure that we remove it from the teeth and the lips. Let's come through here. Wonderful. And maybe it's a little bit off the nose there, a little bit like so. And what we're going to do now is come through and apply a levels adjustment layer. I'm just going to move the mid-tones a little bit. There we go. To the right there. Fantastic. And there you have it, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, take a look at our weekly recordings that are coming out. There's some really cool stuff on there for you guys to have a look at. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.